Recently, I have found myself burning with the sense that we are being brought into another great crisis in American history. A house divided against itself cannot stand. We are in a moment when we need to cry to God for the blood of Jesus to cleanse us for the sins of this nation. It is with this vision that we're going to Virginia for the call. Virginia has always been a state that was instrumental in the great shifts of American history. Even during the Civil War, God began to pour out His Spirit in the South on the soldiers in the army camps of the South. The Spirit of God was being poured out, and we believe once again God will visit us in the days of our great crisis and in the days of great calamity. This is our hope. God, save America. And we're gathering for fasting and prayer. This year, we believe, is a hinge of history moment. We're going to hold the call and dare to believe as the nation gathers to Virginia, God will show us an undeserved mercy.